Did you know that testosterone isn't just a muscle-building hormone, but also a key player in maintaining energy levels, mood, and overall well-being? That's right. It's a secret sauce that keeps us feeling like true warriors. Today, we are just not talking about boosting testosterone. We are talking about unlocking your inner beast. So buckle up, because we have got the top 9 scientifically backed supplements that will take your tea game to a whole new level. But before we dive into the tea boosting arsenal, smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you'll continue to miss out on some game-changing knowledge. Now, let's roll. Let's kick things off with the sunshine vitamin D. A randomized controlled trial found that vitamin D supplementation might increase testosterone levels. The study compared two groups and found that to baseline values, a significant increase in total testosterone levels, bioactive testosterone, and free testosterone levels was observed in the vitamin D supplemented groups. By contrast, there was no significant change in any testosterone measure in the placebo group. So, get out in the sun or grab a high-quality vitamin D supplement for a natural tea boost. Next up, we have got the unsung hero, zinc. A study revealed that zinc status is positively correlated with serum testosterone concentrations in healthy men. The study found that dietary zinc restrictions of 20 weeks in normal young men was associated with a significant decrease in serum testosterone concentrations. It was also found that zinc supplementation for 6 months on marginally zinc deficient normally elderly men resulted in an increase in serum testosterone. So, load up on zinc-rich nuts and seeds or consider a supplement for an upgrade of your testosterone levels. Now, let's talk about the amino acid D-aspartic acid. Research suggests that D-aspartic acid is a physiological amino acid occurring principally in the pituitary gland and the testes, and has a role in the regulation of the release and synthesis of luteinizing hormone, or called LH, and testosterone. Luteinizing hormone is a key reproductive hormone produced by the pituitary gland, a small gland located at the base of the brain. In males, LH plays a crucial role in stimulating the testes to produce testosterone. Now, it's time to dive into the ocean of benefits with omega-3 fatty acids. A study suggests that DHA supplementation from fish oil may have a positive effect on testosterone production. Overweight and obese men and women without diabetes were recruited to the study. The study found that DHA-enriched fish oil supplementation increased total testosterone levels in males with no treatment effect on women. So the study concluded that DHA-enriched fish oil supplementation increases testosterone levels in overweight and obese men. So what are you waiting for? Grab your fish oil capsules or indulge in some salmon. Lucky you! Enter the adaptogen wonder, Ashwagandha. Adaptogens are herbs that help in combating stress. Studies highlight its ability to reduce stress and cortisol levels, positively impacting testosterone. 50 participants with lower sexual desire were randomly allocated to take 300 mg of ashwagandha root extract or placebo capsules twice daily. Compared to placebo, ashwagandha root extract supplementation was associated with a statistically significant increase in serum testosterone levels, along with significant subjective perception of sexual well-being. It's like giving your body a shield against the stresses that try to diminish your inner warrior. Spice up a tea game with Fenugreek. Again, research suggests that Fenugreek extract has a significant impact on both upper and lower body strength and body composition. Whether you sprinkle it on your meals or opt for a supplement, Fenugreek might just have been the secret ingredient your tea-boosting recipe has been missing. Don't overlook the power of boron. And as the PubMed article says, nothing boring about boron. A study found that boron supplementation increased plasma testosterone and plasma DHT. This trace mineral beneficially impacts the body's use of estrogen, testosterone, and vitamin D, boosts magnesium absorption, and also reduces levels of inflammatory biomarkers found in nuts, leafy greens, and fruits. So you may consider a boron supplement to ensure you're not falling short on this essential nutrient. Time to recharge with magnesium. Studies highlight its involvement in over 300 bodily functions, including testosterone production. Supplementation with magnesium increases free and total testosterone values in sedentary subjects as well as in athletes. So make sure you're not skimping on magnesium. It's the relaxation your body needs for optimal testosterone support. Closing the tea-boosting lineup with ginseng, the adaptogenic powerhouse. Studies associate ginseng with increased testosterone levels. A recent study shows that Korean ginseng berry extract enhances certain enzymes which boosts testosterone levels. Now, before you race to the supplement store, remember that individual responses may vary, and it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it meets your individual health conditions and needs. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, share it with your fellow warriors, and subscribe for more epic content. And until next time, stay strong, stay vibrant, and unleash your inner beast. Bye for now.